food of his cell. Put the rice into the swell. Love my thing when you shell. Cut up 2 green pepper with shape like bell. Alright, new sub, new clientele. All of a sudden me and them I wonder what that them a smell. All when them a ask for me off carry goat fried chicken again all like still mama do her thing well. Chicken foot soup, not a drop, nah spill. Fresh bread, fruit, pan, grill, everything fresh, nothing nasty.
Blessings everyone, welcome to MADDA'S kitchen. Today feels like a soup day. Let's make some chicken foot soup. First of all, this pot of soup shared for a lot of people. First I put on the water. I added 8 liters of water. Then I clean up my chicken foot, wash it in vinegar, either lime or lemon water, and make sure you cut off the chicken toenails. Add them to the pot. I also added chicken back and beef chunk or beef bone. It will give it a good flavor. Cover your pot and let it cook for half an hour. Next, I cut up 2 pounds of pumpkin. Then I cut up 2 large carrots. Then 2 large turnips. Two chocho. Then I added 4 cocoa, or you can add MADDA'S. Next, I put in 2 pounds yam. Stir it up. Then I added about 30 dumplings. Stir up the pot. Then I turn down the stove to medium low. It should cook in half an hour. Then I put in the okra. Now it's time to season the pot. I love to season my soup with thyme, scotch bonnet, and about 2 cloves of garlic. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell. Then what I did was add the cock soup and a pumpkin soup mix and a chicken soup base to a bowl, and add the soup water to the bowl and mix it up. This will avoid clumps. That's how we do it, that's how we do it, that's how we do it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MADDA'S Kitchen, and share this video with your people. God bless.